In this video, I'll show you how to cancel a Hostinger subscription and request a refund step by step. First, go to the Hostinger website and log into your account. After logging in, go to the main dashboard. Now find the Billing or Subscriptions section. Inside this area, you will see your active subscriptions. Select the subscription you want to cancel. Now click the arrow or option to open the subscription details. Look for the Disable Auto Renewal option. Turn off Auto Renewal to cancel the subscription. After that, find the Refund option. Hostinger allows refund requests within the guarantee period. Now choose the refund method. You can select the original payment method or account balance. After that, submit the refund request. The system will show the request status. Once approved, the status will appear as refunded. Done.